Hey guys, it's me and the monkey, and today if you're wondering why I am recording again, it's because I am doing a giveaway and so is Grace. I'll leave her channel in the description below, and this is what it looks like. And I have made a boy account so you can have a boy account or a girl account. So what you have to do is subscribe to me and like all my videos. Comment what video I should do on my latest video, which will be in the link description as well. And also comment on that video if you've done, or comment on all of them when you're done. And yeah, so I'm going to try and make both of them level 5, but if I don't, then I'm sorry. But if the other one doesn't get given away, I'll just keep it for myself, or you guys can just have it. So this one is level. I wish I was as pretty to be fake. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And I did add myself on it just because I had to give myself a greet. This is my name, and this is Grace's girl. She's also going to do a video about it soon. And let's move on to the boy. So this is the boy, I just made it. And basically the rules are the same. And it's called Ice Prince 01. It's level 4 at the moment. I just bought an animation, so I've got 45 coins. But then I'm going to try and make it have 245 now. Ew, bad hair. This is what it looks like. Both of them have hats on there, and they've got these clothes because it was from the leveling up thing. If you don't know what the leveling up thing was, it's basically a new update where MSP updates their new leveling up stuff. So you get trousers, hair, shoes, hats, tattoos, you get anything. But you don't really get house stuff, so we're basically safe for that. And yeah, so if you want to win, you know what to do. And yeah, and this may also be a little bit of an exposed video, but I might be doing this person. He put whole wishy equals 1 greet, worth it. I done his whole wish list and he hasn't given me a greet yet. Look. But I sent you the greet, but I'm scam free. I didn't. Okay, let's see. So I'm sorry about that. I'm just gonna refresh, just in case it could have been lag, and I'll just apologize to him. But I'm just gonna move my screen a little bit just because. Ugh. If he didn't get me the great, then he's lying. Oh, he gave me it. Oh, I need to apologize to him now. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. It was lag, and to refresh. Now I'm just gonna give him an auto because he also needs autos. So yeah, I'm just gonna say sorry for that. And good luck to everyone who wants to do it. And how I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna go on Google and type up this lucky picker, and yeah, I'm gonna put everyone's YouTube name or MSP name if they don't want me to put their YouTube name. And yeah, good luck. And I'll put the rules in the description just in case you forget.